This video I will show you how to open Microsoft Excel online. So as we can see, we can use this Excel program as an online without buying software, and it's completely free and genuine. So just you need to create your account with Microsoft and open any browser and search here office.com. So visit this address office.com and sign in with your Microsoft Gmail and sign in with your Microsoft email. Now once you successfully sign in, you will see this interface, and here you can edit your own Microsoft Word Excel document. So to open and you want to work on Excel as online, so here select Excel. You can create a new file, and as I said before, you want to edit any file, you want to open your already have the file. So firstly upload that file on OneDrive on same account, and then here you will see listed your that file, and you can edit here and save it. Make changes, edit, and then save it. Just press Ctrl S, and if you can't press Ctrl S, so it will automatically save your all document and all changes. So this is a method you can work on Excel on online. Thanks for watching.